Alright, now try to reset the oil life monitor. I got those steps on internet. Hope work. So ignition on. I think hit it twice. To trip A. Just trip A. Okay, just trip A, and then shut off the ignition. And now it need to do the kilometer per hour, mile per hour, and the ignition on at the same time. But I'm not putting my foot on the brake, so I need to turn on once. Now I can push it two at the same time. And now it say resetting oil life data. You need to, it say complete. Now when it's done, you can let it go. So now I can shut off the car. When I turn it on, it should have no warning message for the oil change. Yeah, it's done. It's great. Alright, so now to write it down the next oil change. So whatever this mile plus 5,000. Alright, thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye bye.